all Veda source is being given one credit to the one deity or the Lord, is called Lord Brahma. And yes, Ayurveda also come from his mouth. When this at presently that Samhita means all the details, descriptions given in one book. That Samhita is not available right now, but it is been said in our Ayurveda history that it was consist of 1,000 chapters and 1 lakh slokas. And if you go downside in Sanskrit, phrase that Brahma Smrutva Yusho Vedam Prajapati Maji Grahata. That means it is said that Brahma has not created. It has started by remembering. स्मृति, और स्मृति उसी चीज की होती है जो पहले से एग्जिस्ट हो. तो ब्रह्मा ने आयुर्वेद को स्मृति में लाए. Remembers, everything started to remember, and then it is being given to Daksha Prajapati, who was the father of Parvati. Okay, so this was, at that time, the education was given verbally. There was no manuscript. So, that time, all the Jnana Parampara was based on how much your memory is powerful. Because it's been the verbal. You have to listen from there as a Guru Parampara. There was nothing was in the written. This knowledge was being prepared before the Brahma created this universe. He was aware about certain yugas, and where it is needed, everything he was knowing, and then he has created this wonderful Veda.